Driving in New York can be an interesting experience. Check out these videos from the Angry Car Dashcam. Seriously? Oh, up on the curb and shit? An idiot. What are you, fucking stupid?
Weakness, nausea, loss of muscle control, or worse. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that is the product of incomplete combustion. And carbon monoxide poisoning can happen in a matter of minutes.
Got you on dash cam, buddy, right there.
As easy as having your heating system, chimney, flues, and vents checked once a year by a professional. Take protection to the next level by
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.